Kaizer Chiefs will be playing TS Galaxy, the most dangerous team right now in PSL, and I'm here to tell you about the injury updates and also predict the starting lineup and the final score. So don't waste time, let's jump straight into the video. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Amakhosi Stand Podcast. This is where ozithola khona zishisa pe. I am your host Manqoba Ngcobo, all the way from Great Town. Namhlanje bafethu nginiphathele zona zishisa pe. Namhlanje bafethu I want us to talk about what is happening at Kaizer Chiefs, right? The injuries, the starting lineup, the coaching staff, and everything. But before we do this, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below. I love reading your comments and replying to them. So make sure you comment with your starting lineup. What do you predict our coaches will do this time? First of all, I'm disappointed with the results we've been getting in the last three or two games, especially the cheaper one, because I was hoping that we might manage to get some results, maybe 1-0 win or a 2-0 win. But my big concern is what is happening. Where is our problem as a Kaizer Chiefs? Is this our management, Abo Bobby, Abo Kaizer? Is this our coaches or is it our players? What is happening, guys? Please tell me, because right now I'm failing to understand. I'm not saying ukuthi sinabadlali who are quality to challenge for Betway Premiership or something, but we have some good players who can play. But the problem is those players only play if they want to. But I'm not here to talk about that today. Today I will give you the updates on the injuries and also the updates on the starting lineup and the predicted score against a very stubborn TS Galaxy. So, first thing first, is there anything needs to be fixed on our starting lineup that was put out by our coaches in the Chippa United? Is the problem our goalkeeper? Is the problem our backline? Is the problem our middle? Is the problem our attack? As in my opinion, I think our biggest problem is our attacking, because if you can see, we concede less goals and we also score less goals. So now if we win, we only win by 1 or 2 goals. The only match that we managed to get 2 and above goals was that a CAF game, and then the game against the Orbit College, where we won 4-1. So those are the only games that we've managed to get some smooth results. The other games will be getting 1-0, like 1-0. If not 1-0, is 0-0. That's what we are doing in these days. So I think the problem is our attacking. Our attacking options have been limited since Lelepo has been injured, and also Augustin Sereno. So we've been limited in our attacking options. But we still have good attackers like Umtu Shabalala, Ikotaro, Flavio, Modi, Villagazi, Velepa. Those are very good attackers. My other question is, will Kaizer Chiefs do some business in January to try and save our season? Because this season will be more tougher if Kaizer Chiefs first don't win a cup. Secondly, if Kaizer Chiefs don't make it to the top 8 for next season. So will they do something to save our season in January? And also, who do you think Kaizer Chiefs will go out and sign, and which position that needs adjustment? So let's get straight into our starting lineup. Our goalkeeper is an obvious choice. He's been performing. Brendan Peterson, our captain, the mindset, the performance, the passion. I love this guy now. Our left back, I think our coaches would go with Paseka Marco since Bradley Cross is injured. I don't know what is happening with Kanyiso Shinga, and I saw Edin McCarthy training. Maybe he might go there, but I think they'll start Umarco. Our right back, I think Monyane will start, but I don't know what is happening with Dylan Solomons. But I think Monyane will start. Since I'm preparing Miguel and Quinic because yeah, I don't know why. Our CDM, if Mtsetswa is back, we need him. We need him in this game because this will be a high, intense game. So he needs to cover our right wing, right back, and left back. So we need Oxen to be available for this game. I don't know what is happening to him, if it's injury or other reason, but we need him. Our center midfielder, it has to be Lebo Mabo because he has been performing. We can all agree on that. Our attacking midfield, I think Shabala should start this game because our midfield in the last game, it wasn't that good. It wasn't good at all because we didn't create anything from midfield. We only played wide balls for Villagas and Velepai to chase and try to put in a cross or dribble and shoot. We didn't create anything in the middle of the field. So this time we need someone who can run straight into the defenders, do the low passes, do the through passes. So I think Dushabalala should start this game. He has to start this game. He must start this game. Our left wing, since Pulemoti is no longer a starter, or I don't know what to say, but I think Velepai will start there, and then right winger Villagaz should start there also because he has been performing. He's giving the performance that we all want him to give us. Accept that he missed that huge chance against Chippa United, but other than that, he's been performing pretty well. Our strike, I think Flavio Silva is more effective coming from the bench, not starting the match, but I don't know. But on my starting lineup, I think Ikodaro should start the game. So you guys, you can also comment down below with your starting lineup. Usicabanga ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs, how will they line up against a very, very, very stubborn TS Galaxy side? You know, Puso Ditejane will want to showcase ukuthi we made a mistake by releasing him. So do comment down below, guys. So and I will see you after the game because I'm having a connection problem of my internet. So I will see you after the game and we'll talk about the game. If we lost or we won the game, we'll talk about that. And also I'll post the highlights of the game just after the game. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below. Click the bell icon so ungeke ugejwe amanye amavidiyo engizowakhipha, especially ngoba sengenza nama-highlights. Thank you for watching the video. uNkulunkulu anibusise. Danko.